Cashanista Friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this nail look right here. Super cheap and easy nail look to achieve, and I did so by using my Kiss nail set. This is the Glam Fantasy edition. It comes with 28 nails in the pack, and they have these two different kind of accent nails that are super cute. It's like a chrome look there, and then this whole little shiny silver glitter look there, and the rest of the nails are matte. So I just chose to apply the chrome one here and the glitter one there. So I've already picked out the nails that I'm going to use for these last 4 fingers right here. And for this nail set, all of the nails are not perfect for my nail shape, meaning they're too big. As you can see, that's way too big there. So I have to reshape and refile all of them to fit my nail. So, oh, and the pack actually comes with this little kit, so you can either glue the nails on with the glue that it comes with, or if you don't want to use glue, you can actually use the stickers here, but I always use the glue because of course the glue will last longer. It comes with the nail filer and your little wooden stick there, which I already have a bunch of these, so I didn't even open this pack. But to start, I'm just going to take my nail and take a fingernail filer and start to file the sides of the nail. Now take some more glue and put just like one dab on the artificial nail. Now when I place it on my nail, I kind of get as close to the cuticle as I can to ensure a natural look, or the most natural look that I can get. And then I just start to press down. Now typically I always use a little bit too much glue, and the glue starts to come out on the sides a little bit, so I just take a Q-tip and wipe the excess glue off. Then I just keep pressing a few times to ensure it adheres well to the nail. Like so. So I'm just going to repeat this same step for these other 3 nails as well. This is how the nails look after I simply file down the sides just to fit my nail bed and apply them. They're still super wide looking, which I don't like at all. So in order to get them shaped like this, like narrow and actually fit my nails, I'm just going to refile the shape of the nails now that it's applied to my nails. So I'm just going to start on the sides and just file the sides down. And I'm still going to have like these stiletto like shape, so I'm just going to curve up and follow the way that the nail naturally is going, but just to make it a little more narrow. And to ensure that I'm filing it evenly, I do it a few times on this side and switch to the other side to make sure that I'm not filing too much on just one side. After I do that, I just kind of look at it to see if that's the shape that I want, which I think that pretty much is. I'm just going to do the same thing for the rest of the nails. So this is how all the nails look after filing them to my liking. And lastly, what I've noticed with these Glam Fantasy nails, any of the Kiss nails that have like a chrome look on them, after about a few days or a week or so, the chrome look effect like fades away, which really sucks. So because of that, I'm just going to take my clear gel polish and just polish over only these 2 nails, because of course I don't want to polish over the matte ones, and this nail should be fine. But because I know these rub off, I'm going to go ahead and just apply a coat of gel polish. Now I'm just going to cure this in my LED lamp. I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol to remove the tackiness from the nails. And this is my final nail look. These nails were only $9 from my local beauty supply store, so super cheap and affordable and very easy to do. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.